Here's a message for our Wiers customers during Customer Appreciation Month. Thank you for being part of the Wiers extended family and for your continued support in business. We will always go the extra mile to ensure your trucks roll. Wiers maintains and repairs trucks quickly so you can deliver more products and services in a safe, reliable, and cost-effective manner. On behalf of all of our employees, thanks for your continued business and support.
Happy Customer Appreciation Month. Trucks roll.
Thank you for your business.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks for choosing Wiers and Trucks Roll.
Your business is important to our business. Happy Customer Appreciation Month.